in India, if you consider, there is many at times the children come and tell me my parents didn't love me. And parents tell me, like, no, I don't know why. The kids are not understanding how much sacrifice we make for the children. So it is not because the parents they love the kids so deeply and they often sacrifice
Yeah.
so much for their future. But sometimes, even with the best intention, many families struggle to understand what children are really going through emotionally. So
Yeah.
it is that, they are not lacking love, they're lacking emotionally safe spaces where they can be heard without fear, judgment, comparison. So this is a major concern that I see when I talk to parents and at the same, with the children. So we will explore this some most common issues that parents face at home and how they can provide the best possible way to support their children's well-being.
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to the conversation, Binu, and I know you bring a huge amount of expertise to this field as well. But I also recognise that neither you nor me are perfect parents, and we certainly don't have all of the answers, and there is no script that we can give to people. Being a parent or a caregiver in 2026 is a very, very difficult job. It's hard. It's the most wonderful job on earth, but it's the hardest
Yeah.
job on earth. We often say teaching is one of the most stressful, most challenging professions on earth, which is true. But I think being a parent or a primary caregiver is harder again. And so this conversation today won't solve all the problems, but I hope we were able to give people some really practical ways to think about the connection with their child, supporting their child, and helping make parenting just a little more fun and a little less difficult, maybe.
Yeah. So I echo with what you said, David, because parenting is the most challenging task, but none of us get any official training to do. The thing is,
Yeah.
none of us are perfect parents, like you said, but we are all doing the best possible way because the core of parenting is love, and a sacrificial support for their children, because we all want the best out of our children and we want to provide the best for the children.